Hello, if you want to, or you have decided, hey, so if you decided to delete your registered account, then note that you're not allowed to do it by yourself. So to fulfill your action, get in touch with the customer support team. So here are some things that you need to do. First is you need to head to your email account and click on the Create or Compose button. You need to compose a letter with the subject field typed in Request to delete an account. Yes, you will send an email to the support of the 1xbet.com, or this one right here is actually based on the Philippines. So there are how do you call this? There are prospective contacts with whether what country you're assigned to. So for example, the Philippines, you will see the left corner right here, which you can see the contacts corner. You will have different type of contacts, which one of which problem you may have. So, for instance, we will go for security department, which is the security dash n at 1xbet dash team.com. So for this might be the one that we are trying to get. So for that, you need to start writing an email. The content of the email must contain the reasons of your deletion. You must, of course, enter your ID, personal details like your full name, country, email details, a resident, and more. It may or may not also need you to provide your ID on the request to delete account. So this is a general support or contact support account to the 1xbet.com. Again, it will based on what country you are assigned to.